Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Grime 2 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen, now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check internet connection. So for that, open Xbox menu, select settings. Now click on network settings and click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. Lastly, confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next solution is to check for Grime 2 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage. For that, press the Xbox button, then go to profile and system. Click on settings, click on system, now click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Grime 2 game. For that, press the Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Grime 2 game, then press menu button, after that select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Grime 2 official website and download the game. And after that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.